What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install GTA 3 on your PC or laptop fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just open your Steam like me today, go here on store and search here GTA 3 Grand Theft Auto 3 Definitive Edition. Click on it, scroll here down and you will see here add to cart. Click on it, go view of my card, go here continue to payment, choose PayPal or credit card and go here continue. Click PayPal, log in on your PayPal like me. After that you will get your game in library. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download GTA 3 on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.